Welcome to the special Christmas edition, short edition, and yeah, more up-to-date edition.
Yeah, since we have this 4 weeks delay, which means if something happens today, you're gonna see that in 4 weeks on YouTube. So we are a little bit behind. This is why we are doing this special edition, which is live from the place we are now. Yeah, not live, but live. More live.
More up to date.
More up to date. So we are now in California, near Visalia. We just made the Sequoia National Park, and yeah.
We wanted to do this video to take a moment and say thank you to every single one of you who are supporting us, who is supporting us on this journey, who is writing us emails no matter how, and introducing themselves with pictures and telling us how much our videos mean to them and how much they enjoy watching them. And yeah, getting those emails is really very nice for us. It's yeah, I think it's very motivating.
Yeah, it's really a nice feeling when we are reading all these comments and that you really like it. I mean, yeah, we put a lot of effort in it, and we always think these videos are nice, but it's just how we see it.
Yeah.
Because we live in it. So yeah, thank you very much for all these nice comments and for the support and motivation. And yeah, we wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. And
yeah, this is Nacho. This is live television.
Live television.
Live YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Nacho, come here. Nacho, come. Come here. Okay, come here. Okay.
So we wanted to take this moment and wish you a nice Christmas, and enjoy this time with your families, and with the Christmas tree and
Santa Claus
and presents.
We hope he will find you, because he won't find us with 4 weeks delay.
Yeah.
So yeah, somebody can point him in our direction.
Yeah.
Yes, and also a big thank you from Nacho. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, he enjoys your comments too.
Yeah.
And all the love you are sending him, we are giving it to him 3 times more. So yeah. So thank you for everything, and yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah, indeed.
It's 1 week ahead, but yeah.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.